Hi, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Miss Tigner's here for another phonics lesson. Our learning target for this week is I can demonstrate between short and long vowel sounds. So, boys and girls, this week we've been talking about vowels, and our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. We've talked about that we have short vowel sounds, and when there are short vowel sounds, we can hear the sound the vowel says. We've also discussed long vowel sounds and long vowels say its name. Yesterday we talked about the long I vowel sound and how the long I says its name in words. So these are some words that have that long I vowel sound. We have eyed. We hear the vowel I say its name in the word ride. We have like, drive, time, kite. Today we're going to learn about short vowel sounds for the letters O and U. When we are reading the short vowel sounds, we listen to the sound that the vowel says. Are you ready? Remember this anchor chart. It has our short vowels and our long vowels, and we're focusing on the letter O and U. So Miss Tigner is going to sound out the word caught so I can hear the short vowel sound for the letter O. Are you ready? Caught. Did you hear the sound that short O says? Short O says ah. Stretch out the word caught with me. Caught. Caught. So short O says ah. Now let's look at the letter U and listen for the short U vowel sound. Fun. Did you hear the sound for the short U? I heard the sound for the short U sound. Listen with me. Fun. Fun. Now we're going to listen to two short stories with Pete the cat and looking for the short O vowel sound and the short U vowel sound. So for short O vowel sound, we're going to read Pete the cat and the bus stop. Are you ready? Pete the cat and the bus stop. Pete the cat got a job. He is a bus driver. Pete is at the bus stop. He honks the horn. Two cats hop on. A dog hops on at the next stop. Pete drives on a rocky road. This is not an easy job. What a job! What job does Pete really want? A rock star! Did you see any words that have the short O sound? I did too. Next, we're going to read Pete the cat and that is hungry for lunch. And we're going to look for short U words. Are you ready? Pete the cat is hungry. It is time for lunch. Pete wonders what to make for lunch. Pete finds a yummy fish. Is he done? No. Pete finds a plum. Is he done? No, crunchy crackers are up next. Is he done? No, the fun has just begun. Munch, munch. Pete the cat loves lunch. Okay, boys and girls, did you see any short O vowel sound words in Pete the cat in the bus stop? Or did you see any short U vowel sounds in Pete the cat hungry for lunch? Let's talk about those words. So what words did we find in these Pete the cat stories that had the short O and the short U vowel sound? Miss Tigner saw the word hop. I'm going to sound out and listen for that short O vowel sound. Hop. Remember that short O says ah. And what about this word? Not. Not. That has a short O vowel sound too. These words have that short U vowel sound. Remember the word that we already talked about in our anchor chart? We have bun. Short U says And we also saw, this word, lunch. Lunch. Can you think of any other CVC words that have that short O and the short U vowel sound? For phonics, you're going to do an activity for the short O and short U vowel sound. Thank you for listening, guys, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.